Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today is an exciting day. I've got the Galaxy S22 Ultra with me. It's the black color one and it's a 256 GB version. So pretty excited that the Ultra comes with the stylus. So in terms of the S22 Ultra, the display is a dynamic AMOLED display with vision booster and has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It has a long-lasting battery and it has super fast charging if you use the 45-watt power adapter. You can also share your battery power wirelessly with another S22 or charge your earbuds on the go as well. So in terms of durability, it has Corning Gorilla Glass on both sides of the phone, and the phone is IP68 rated, and the pen is the same as well. So the pen is IP68 rated as well, and this has an aluminium frame. And in terms of the camera, it has a 40 megapixel selfie camera on the front, and on the rear it has 4 cameras. So it has a 12 megapixel ultra wide cam, and the second one is a 108 megapixel wide angle camera. Then you get the 10 megapixel lens which has 3x optical zoom, which is the telephoto camera 2. Then you get the fourth one, which is again 10 megapixels, and it has 10x optical zoom, and it's the telephoto camera 1. The best camera for night photos is the 108 megapixel wide angle camera. Night photography has been really enhanced on the S22 Ultra, so it'll be great to see what results it gives when I use this one. And in terms of video, there's shake reduction built in. There's photo editing apps. You can even link the phone to your Windows PC. Alright, without spending any more time, let's unbox this. Okay, so that's the S22 Ultra. Yeah, so since recently all Samsung phones don't come with chargers. Can't remember which series it was, but you have to get the charger separately. So that's the SIM removal tool, and in here I think you get the USB-C charging cable. Yep, that's the USB-C charging cable. You get your usual manuals and instructions in here. Okay, so the weight of the S22 Ultra is 228 grams. And the dimensions are 163.3 in height, 77.9 width, and 8.9 millimeters in depth. So let's look at the back here. It's the full camera system. So there is no 3.5mm phone jack. You have to use the USB-C port if you need to connect a wired headset. And that's the S Pen there. a bit tight there when you push it in, and the SIM tray is on the bottom as well, be here. Not sure if you can see it, just zoom in a bit. So you can see it there, that's the SIM tray there. And this one doesn't have a micro SD slot. So that's why I got the 256 GB version. So there's plenty of storage to store video files and photos. You can also play 8K videos on this, which is pretty good. And in terms of sensors, it has an accelerometer, a barometer, fingerprint sensor, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, a hall sensor, a light sensor, and a proximity sensor. Okay guys, so that's the unboxing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So see you in the next video when I set up the S22 Ultra. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.